Hi, I'm going to show you some of the benefits of using Administrate's reporting engine. The reports we'll look at can be created and edited without any technical skills or additional costs, and they can pull information from anywhere in Administrate or connected systems like a SurveyMonkey or Salesforce. I could build a new report by clicking this green button and choosing from any data type in the platform. Or I can start with something I've already built. The report will update every time I open it, and I can access it through my browser bookmarks or through automatic email delivery. This report shows qualifications for safety at work expiring this month, something that's critical for compliance. I'll dig in and show you by clicking this Edit Report button. This report is filtered to show expirations this month and next, as indicated by the 0 for this month and the 1 for next month. Let's broaden that out a bit by adding some future months. So click Add Condition here. We'll go expired. Let's go the following month, and let's even go the month after that. So in the month, and we'll make that a 3. Let's add address and expiration date as well, and we'll do that with our output column. So we're filtering here. Now we're going to control the output of this report here. So I can go add output column, and let's go contact email. So we'll add this person's email, and we'll also add when specifically this certification expires. Hit view report. Cool. Now I've got a better picture. Problem identified. Let's save that. So I'll save that report. Here's a course occupancy report, and this is fundamental for a training organization. If I scroll down a bit, you see safety at work. Here's a safety at work in London that's undersubscribed, 15 out of 20. And I know I need to train that cohort of students we just looked at in the last report that's about to have expired qualifications. I'm going to click on this event, and that will take me directly to the event screen. Now I'm going to click on the Student tab and then Add Student. Now I'll add students using the bulk add option. Check this out. I type in part of the name of my qualification checking report, and now I can select that report and enroll all the students at once. Now I've added those students to the overall registry. I'm done. I've used the reporting engine to easily see and address a problem and get back to delivering better training.